Champion-elect, already 6 times a back-to-back champion, Ryan Smith, man from Mansfield, leads his way round, having graduated out of Division 2 some years ago, really, when we first saw Ryan when he appeared in Division 2, runner-up. Last little Division 2 spot back in 2006. Back-to-back titles. He also won the European title as well. And 4 winning 6 back-to-back titles. Wow. So he's done it in the past. I think the most impressive bit of that is that he did the European. Star Ryan Smith got a little bit of wheel spin now. Didn't get the truck away as quickly as he wanted to. Dave Jenkins trying to make it 3 wide going in towards Paddington Bend. It's Stuart Oliver that leads the way. Back, but we're almost 2 and 3 wide for second and third. We've got a truck around going down the hill. The number 12 machine is into the barriers hard and he's spun it around. And that is Michael Oliver losing the back end. And it was one of those moments at that point, Mark, where they get the back end so sideways. These trucks can drift immensely. It's a beautiful thing to watch. It's very elegant. But unfortunately, just went past the point of no return with the back end of that truck. We've got Taylor going straight on and Newell as well going with him at 13. But what a fantastic start it was by Stuart Oliver to take the race lead. And Craig Reed's got off the road as well. Reed is off around the outside in the gravel. He's joined by John Newell. They're all gliding off the road. There's contact and Taylor's involved as well. We've got 3 of them off the road, 2 of them looking beached right now. I think it's safe to say that this is going to be stopped. Yeah, Bradley Smith took the beach and I think not going to be no worse, maybe now is from